Welcome to Ezycarto checkout application that in-store will be using to manage their terminal self-checkout or the cashier checkout. The first thing you'll be met with is the login interface when you start up the desktop application. So for this demo sake, I'll quickly pop in my test details credentials to get us started. On the next page, you'll be seeing after logging in is the machine setup or configuration page. The primary purpose of this is to assign identity to each machine, and however you configure your machine will determine how the machine is going to behave. But for the sake of this demo, I'll be going with self-checkout. I can either set it at self-checkout or cashier machine at this point. So I'll quickly click on all the hardwares and I'll leave the rest as it is, and I'll click OK. And the next thing I will be met with is the shopper flow interface. So I had already started the process on my shopper app experience. So I'll be restoring QR code. Either ways, I can also go with the usual traditional way of, self-checkout approach, scanning of each item one after the other. But because I had already started on my phone, the shopper experience, then I will just scan the QR code, my card's QR code to reproduce my card. So I'll click on that and yes, we have it. So I have restored the card. I have transferred my card from my phone to the self-checkout terminal. As you can see from my top left corner, you can see a carrying container. The card has a carrying container, which I selected on my shopper experience. What this does for me is it allows me to be able to check out all my cart at once, so I don't have to rescan every item at the self-checkout terminal. Yeah, and this is where you do the management, select and deselect. Stores can have as many carrying containers as possible. So I have that. The system is going to validate the cart's container weight with my cart item. Also, I can search for item manually here for an item I picked up on the shelf, which I haven't scanned. Then I can, let's pick an item here. I picked an item. So I'll be prompted. I don't have to wait, but if I delay before putting the item on the scale, it's going to prompt me to, put the item on the scale. Yes, I put the item on the scale. Yes, and there is a mismatch. There is a mismatch in the weight, and the system has flagged it. So the system has prompted me to impute my, has flagged it. So I need to call on the store assistant before I can proceed. So I'll quickly call on the store assistant to, bail me out of this. Then store assistant is there to scan to review and approve. So store assistant will scan a barcode, or they can either pop the details in as they want. So the store assistant is going with the scanning of barcode and the system has approved it. So now I can move on to the checkout. So on the checkout, at this checkout point, if I have any item that requires validation, a product, maybe a code or a sharp object, then the self-checkout is going to flag it. But for this case, I did not have anything that requires approval, product that requires approval. So I will just move ahead to, check out. So the system has allowed it because my cart is all right. So the next thing I'm going to do is I have a gift card which I want to redeem to reduce the cost of my cart. So I'll quickly pop in my gift card details and and the system has validated it. I'm paying less, 2.50 less. It's a good deal. So then I'm going to swipe my card to make the payment. I provided this button to simulate this swiping experience. However, the backend is already set up and this action is hitting my Stripe terminal. So everything is all hooked up together and integrated seamlessly together. So let's make the payment now. So the system is going to process it. The system is going to process it. And yes, you have the action. No, I don't want any receipt. Thank you for shopping. I'll be back.